Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo that uses Maxi Fords and Buffaloes. So if you don't yet know a Buffalo or a Maxi Ford, I would recommend, if I can speak, going and watching those videos first where I break down how to do a Maxi Ford and a Buffalo, and you can find the link to those videos in my description box below. So go ahead and go learn these steps first, and then come back and learn this combo in this video. So let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to start with a slow Maxi Ford. And actually I should start this by saying all the Maxi Fords are actually going to be a little bit slower, so that means the shuffle is going to be slower. And then all the Buffaloes are going to be a little bit faster. So the shuffles on the Buffaloes are going to be faster. So we're going to start with a Maxi Ford on the right foot. So we're going to go step, shuffle, step, toe. Okay? So 1, E, and a 2. Try that again. 1, E, and a 2. Okay? Or I guess you could also count it 1 and 2 and 3. Actually, that probably is more accurate. So Maxi Ford on the right, and then a fast Buffalo on the right. And then we're going to do a Maxi Ford on the right again, slow. Okay? So Maxi Ford, Buffalo, Maxi Ford. Simple, right? But once you start messing with the speeds of them, making the Maxi Ford slower and the Buffalo faster, your feet get a little bit twisted up. So let's give it a try. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Maxi Ford, Buffalo, Maxi Ford. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go, after this, we're going to go into 2 of the Buffaloes again on the right. And then we're going to do a slow Maxi Ford again on the right. And then we're going to add an extra toe here on the right. Okay, so part 2, we just finished our Maxi Ford here. So part 2 starts with 2 Buffaloes and then a Maxi Ford with 2 toes. So 2 Buffaloes, Maxi Ford. Okay, now if you're doing this across the floor, you can switch sides here easily. So you can do like 2 all the way across and then switch sides and then go back. So, and you do that here by doing the Maxi Ford, the last Maxi Ford, step, shuffle, step, toe. Instead of doing 2 toes, you're just going to do a toe and then you're ready to go on the left, which I'll go over the left in just a minute and I'll show you how to go just on one side and continue, or to go switching sides. So again, and if at any part I'm going too fast, or you couldn't quite catch what happened, or you want to do it again, remember that you can always pause, rewind, and speed up or slow down the video in YouTube. So let's give that another try. So we have Maxi Ford, Buffalo, Maxi Ford, Buffalo, Buffalo, Maxi Ford, 2 toes. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Maxi Ford, Buffalo, Maxi Ford, Buffalo, 2, Maxi Ford. Okay, try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Buffalo, Maxi Ford. All right, let's try 2 in a row, and then I'll show you how to switch sides, and then I'll show you the left side. Here we go. 2 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, Maxi Ford, Buffalo. Woo, nicely done. With my small board, it's hard to stay. It's hard to stay on it because it's so tiny. All right, now left side. Here we go. So we have Maxi Ford left. 2 Buffalo fast, and then a Maxi Ford. 2 Buffaloes here. Maxi Ford with 2 toes. Okay, So try left side again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Maxi Ford, Buffalo, Maxi Ford, Buffalo, Maxi Ford. All right, so now let's switch. So like I said, if you're wanting to switch, instead of doing the 2 toes, you're going to do 1 toe, stomp, and then go right into left. Okay? All right, here we go. Right side into left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Buffalo. Buffalo. Maxi Ford. Left side. Buffalo. Buffalo. Whew. Nicely done. All right. So if you wanted to take this up another level as well, maybe make it more advanced, add on that pullback onto the pullback, not the pullback, excuse me, the Maxi Ford. Oh, my brain is not working today. Add on the pullback onto the Maxi Ford, and then it makes it more advanced. So on the right foot, you would go step, shuffle, switching pullback with a toe, and then the buffalo. Okay, so it's a little bit hard. You kind of have to slow down your pullback, which can be difficult, which is what makes this more advanced, right? So here again on the right. And left. Here we go. All right. Nicely done. So with this one, you can either continue on one side and then stop and switch to the next, or you can go back and forth. So this really is either an across the floor or a center floor, depending on how you use it. And then also, if you want to make it more advanced, throw in that pullback. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a sorry, I'm really out of breath, song or step suggestion, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get to them as soon as possible. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.